Hi guys, today we compare Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus versus Nokia N74 HMD. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus will launched on October 2024. The price is not available. The Nokia N74 HMD will launched on December 2024. The price is $1,099. The body dimensions: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus, height 6.4 inch, width 3.1 inch, thickness 8.3 mm. The Nokia N74 HMD, height 6.46 inch, width 3.01 inch, thickness 8.6 mm. The weight of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus 227. The Nokia N74 HMD 216 grams. The build: Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus, front and back glass and aluminium frame. The Nokia HMD N74 come with front and back glass and titanium frame, and the both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The display: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type. The Nokia N74 HMD come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is same 6.82 inches. The resolution: Huawei come with 1.5K screen resolution. The Nokia come with 2K screen resolution. The Nokia N74 HMD come with 510 ppi density. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 449 ppi density, and the both mobile come with 120Hz refresh rate. The screen to body ratio: the Nokia HMD N74 come with 90.1%. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 99.1% screen to body ratio. The Nokia N74 HMD come with Gorilla Glass Armor 2. The Huawei come with Huawei Kunlun Glass 3 screen protection, and the both mobile come with 5000 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup of these mobiles: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide 1-inch sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto with dual LED flash, panorama HDR, 4K 120 fps video record. The Nokia N74 HMD come with triple camera setup too. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, 50 megapixel ultra wide with LED flash, HDR panorama, 8K 30 fps video. The front selfie camera: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with dual selfie camera, 13 megapixel and 8UF 3D biometric sensor, and its record 4K 60 fps video record. The Nokia N74 HMD come with 50 megapixel HDR panorama, 4K 60 fps video record. The platform: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with octa-core Titan Big 3.43 GHz CPU. The Nokia N74 HMD come with octa-core Cortex X5 3.4 GHz CPU. The chipset: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Kirin 103nm chipset. The Nokia HMD N74 come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 3nm chipset, and the GPU: Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Melo 931 GHz CPU. The Nokia N74 HMD come with Adreno 760 GPU. The Huawei come with Harmony OS 5.1 operating system. The Nokia N74 HMD come with 15 Android 15 operating system. The Nokia N74 HMD come with 12 and 16 and 24 gigs of RAM. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 16 gigs of RAM. The internal storage: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. The Nokia N74 HMD come with 256, 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. The both mobile could not support micro SD card and nano memory card. The battery backup: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 5200 mAh battery. The Nokia N74 HMD come with 5400 mAh battery. The Nokia come with 120 watt fast wired charging. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 100 watt fast charging. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 88 watt wireless charging. The Nokia N74 HMD come with 65 watt wireless charging, and mobile come with 5G network support. The common and the features: Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC based idea locking, Type-C 3.2, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.1, IP68 dust and water resistant, and emergency system via satellites. Nokia N74 HMD come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC infrared port, Type-C 3.2, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.1, IP68 dust and water resistant, and SOS system via satellites, emergency calls and messages. The result of these devices: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus got 22 points, and the Nokia HMD N74 got 24 points.